Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Decluttr is an online platform that allows people to sell their unwanted items, primarily electronic devices, media, and other tech-related products. The platform is designed to make it easy for individuals to declutter their homes and earn money by selling items they no longer need. Here's how you can make money from Decluttr: gather items. Look for unwanted electronics, CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, video games, cell phones, tablets, and other tech-related items in your home. Decluttr primarily focuses on these types of items. 2. Download the app or visit the website. You can use Decluttr's website or mobile app to start the selling process. 3. Scan or enter barcodes for many items. You can simply scan the barcode using the Decluttr app and it will provide an instant quote. Alternatively, you can enter the item's details manually. 4. Get quotes. Decluttr will provide you with a quote for the items based on their condition, demand, and market value. 5. Add to cart. Once you receive quotes, add the items to your cart. 6. Complete the transaction. Review the items in your cart and complete the transaction by providing your contact and payment information. 7. Ship the items. Decluttr will provide you with a prepaid shipping label. You'll need to package the items securely and send them to Decluttr. Wait. Receive payment. Once Decluttr receives and inspects your items to ensure they meet the stated condition, they will send you payment. You can choose to be paid via check, PayPal, or direct deposit. Tips from maximizing earnings on Decluttr: Choose your items wisely. Items in good condition, with original packaging, and popular brands tend to fetch better prices. 2. Check the current market value before selling an item. It's a good idea to check what similar items are selling for on other platforms like eBay or Amazon to ensure you're getting a fair price. 3. Group items. You can often get better deals by selling multiple items at once, as Decluttr sometimes offers bulk discounts. 4. Take good photos if you have physical items. Taking clear, well-lit photos of the item's condition can help boost your chances of a higher quote. 5. Be honest about item condition. It's important to accurately describe the condition of your items. Decluttr may reduce the offer if they receive items in worse condition than stated. 6. Keep an eye on promotions. Decluttr occasionally runs promotions or offers bonuses for specific items, so watch for these opportunities. Remember that Decluttr is just one of many platforms available for selling used items, and the amount of money you can make will depend on the items you have and their condition. It's also important to be aware of any fees or shipping costs associated with using the platform.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.